and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, hi, my name is Emma and I am looking forward to today's video. I'm doing something a little bit more different than I normally do. So before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think of today's brand we're trying out, TTDEye. Some of you may have seen TTDEye on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's all over the place. I was talking, sir. You've probably seen TTDEye on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And so I thought I would try it out as somebody who wears glasses and has sight differences. I wanted something that was going to be functional and cute. And safe as well. I remember there was previous controversies because TTDEye didn't have an FDA regulation before, and since that controversy, I believe it happened in 2018, 2017, they have gotten FDA regulations in order. So now it is much safer to order from them, and I think they are prescription verified as well. So I'm excited to crack into it. Alright, so today the unboxing that I'll be doing is on the TTDEye Queen Collection. It's a bundle that they have on their website. What this is called on the website is the Queen Series Contact Lens Kit, and it's under the kits on the website. And it comes with 5 different contact colors. So this is what the box looks like when you take it out of the packaging it has. And it comes with a little free contacts, how to win free contacts by tagging them on social media. I guess I gave you 2 on accident. Oh well. They gave me some stickers. How fun. Oh, it's a hand mirror. So I guess I can use this when I'm out and about if one of my contacts falls out or something. Some glitter that's little moons. And they gave me little cases. Now, I already tried on the Queen Brown, so they're in this little case over here. But I wanted to show you what the box looks like. So there's this. I'm gonna take these out. And then I have Queen Gray, they come sealed. Queen Brown. Queen Blue. And Queen Green. And the one that I already tried on is Queen Chocolate, but I already opened that. And then at the very bottom here, we have important advice. Do make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before putting in or removing your contact lenses. Don't wear lenses for longer than the prescribed amount of time. Do replace your lens case every 3 months. Don't go underwater with your lenses. Throw out the solution in your lens case after you put your lenses in your eyes. Don't use water to clean or store your lenses. And do make sure to store contact lenses overnight in disinfecting solution. Don't sleep in your contacts. And it gives you a little step-by-step guide on how to put in contacts as well, which is helpful. Alright, so now with that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands so I can try these on and show you what they look like. Alright, so I've changed the angle to be a little more up close so you can see me putting in the contacts and see what they look like. As you can see, my baseline here, my eyes are green, and I'm going to start with the Queen Chocolate, because I've already opened them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I've already got some saline solution, so all of these contacts, when I unbox them, I'm going to go ahead and remove them, place them in their container, and give some saline solution. That way they have a little rinse and they're a little gentler on my eyes. Sometimes the solution they use for packaging is a little harsher, so I'm gonna let them sit in that solution a little bit, and then that way each time I put them in, they're not gonna be crazy. So I'm going to start off with these. So here I am with the Queen Chocolate contact lenses in. And this is what they look like with green eyes as the base. I personally really like these. I have always really liked the dark brown eye color. So I'm a big fan of these. I've always been a big fan of dark brown and like chocolate eyes. I think they're so pretty. So any way that I can get my eyes to be even remotely close to like a natural dark brown eye, I go for it because I would love it. So yes, this is the Queen in chocolate. I love them. I think they're great. One of the things that I like about these specifically is normally when you have a colored contact, it goes all the way to your pupil, and so sometimes the design can kind of get in the way of your vision and you can see an outline. I don't see an outline at all unless I really move my eyes very quickly. There's only a mild amount of discomfort if I move my eyes a lot, but that's with any contact really. And I would say that these are very like light. They're hard to notice. They're very comfortable. I would say that these aren't like daily contacts. Daily contacts you can wear all day without any noticeable discomfort. I would say for any kind of colored contact lens, it's not a disposable. You're gonna have some discomfort after about 5 hours. So I wouldn't wear these all day, but I really like that I can see and there's no border and that they're very comfortable. Plus, they make my eyes brown. Also, something else I like about this is in their little carrying case, it comes with contact lens holders, but it also comes with these. This makes it easier for putting your contacts in, and this makes it easy for taking the contact lenses out. So, yay, these are very convenient. I'm going to do the Queen Gray next, and I'm going to actually open it and show you what it looks like as you're unboxing it, so you know what to expect. So when you open the package, you're going to have your prepackaged lenses. And then if you get no prescription, it doesn't matter. But if you do get prescription, it's going to show it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put these in saline so they're more comfortable for my eyes. Alright, so now that I have the Queen Gray unboxed and put into saline solution, it's been a second or two. I'm letting them soak a little bit so they're more comfortable putting my eyes, but I'm going to try them on now. Queen Gray. Alright, so now I put in the Queen Gray contact lenses, and as you can see, my eyes are very gray. One issue I'm having is that this contact is not staying put where it's supposed to. It's kind of migrating around my eye. I do have astigmatism in this eye, but it's also doing it in this eye, so I don't know if it's an issue with this specific color of contact lens. I think it looks really natural. One criticism I have of this though is unlike the brown contacts, the chocolate ones, they have a rim in my vision. So I can kind of see the contact. I don't know if that's just an issue with the Queen Gray specifically, or if they just sent me like the wrong axis or something. I don't know, but I don't know anything about eyes. But the fit's a little off for my eyes. One thing I'll notice is because it's migrating, I can see the rim of the color contact, so I am getting a little bit of blurriness in my vision only because of the color showing up from the pattern on the contact lens. Otherwise, I can see really well. The contacts obviously work as prescription. I think the color looks very natural, especially from far away. They're pretty close to my natural eye color because they're very light. Definitely a little bit more blue than my green eyes. So they're very fun. I would definitely want to figure out how to make this not migrate around this eye so much. It's doing it in this eye, but not nearly as much. So yeah, I like them though. Definitely not as much as the Queen Chocolate so far, because the brown eyes, but they're pretty good. Alright, so the next contacts I'm going to try are the Queen Brown. So these are supposed to be a lighter brown than the chocolate color. I'm really excited because, again, I love brown eyes, so I would love my eyes to look brown. We'll see how these do. Hopefully they fit a little better than the gray ones did. Okay, so this is the Queen contacts in brown. And if I'm being honest, they don't look brown. They look a lot like yellow-green. They look, again, very similar to my natural eye color, which is green. So I'm a little confused because they don't look brown in my opinion. I think that the chocolate ones looked brown, but I don't think these look brown at all. Thankfully, these are fitting better than the Queen Gray, so I'm thinking it was probably an issue with the gray contacts that was making them fit so strange, especially in this eye, because these are adhering and staying around my pupil in an appropriate way so I can see clearly. There's no fuzzy border or outline where the design for the contacts are, so I like how these are fitting, but I just was expecting more of a brown color than a yellow green. What do you think, guys? Is this brown? Am I just crazy? I don't think these are brown. Just for comparison, this is my natural eye, and this is the Queen Brown. I don't think it's brown. It looks very green or yellow in my opinion. All right, we are down to 2 contenders left. We have the green and we have the blue. I'm gonna save the green for last because I already have green eyes, so I wanna see how close it is to my natural eye color. I'd rather see the blue first. I think that will be a lot more fun. These are looking very blue in the package, so I'm excited to see what kind of difference it's gonna do. It's kind of like the Queen chocolate where it was like so dark brown. I was so excited to see the difference. Okay, so these are the Queen contacts in my eyes in blue. And yeah, they're certainly very blue. I think they would actually almost be more of like an aqua color. They're very, very, very bright. And they have like a yellow ring on the inside to kind of transition them in, which would be very natural looking if you have brown eyes. And for me, since I have green eyes, it just transitions perfectly into the green center that I have. So I like these a lot. They're very pretty. There's no ring, so I can see very clearly. One issue that I'm having is this contact is a little uncomfortable, but I feel like if I just let it soak overnight in some saline solution, I will be much more comfortable later. But overall, I like these ones. Last but not least, I'm going to be trying the Queen Green color contacts. And as you can see, I already have green eyes, so we're going to just see how these enhance them or if they look exactly the same. I was kind of surprised by the brown contacts being almost the exact same color as my eyes, so maybe these will be a little bit more like vibrant than the green I already have going on. We'll see. Alright, so this is with the Queen Green in. That's what they look like. They look a lot like my regular eye color, just a little bit brighter on the outside because I have a really dark ring around my eyes. So this kind of brightens them up and gives them more of a vivid look. I like them a lot. I think they are good for enhancing what I already got. And I'm noticing that it's kind of like the Queen Gray where there's a little bit of a misfit with the eyes. I don't know if that's just an issue with the contact or if that's an issue with me in the contact. I have no idea, but there's a little rim, but it's only sometimes. It's only when I move my eyes relatively quickly, which I'm not getting with the other contacts, so who knows. But I like them. I think they're pretty. They're definitely not as mouth-fitting as the gray ones. So these are definitely more comfortable and they're much easier to see through. But they do certainly look a lot like my natural eye color. So I'm going to take these out now so you can see the difference and the similarity. So you can see here, I have the contact in this eye and this is my natural eye right here. So it is definitely more vivid of a green. So it kind of enhances what I already have. So I like that. So this is all of the contacts that come with the Queen Contact Series kit on the website. This is listed for $75, but it seems to be on a perpetual sale because I think it's usually $199.99, but it's always, marked down to $75. And I got this for $63 and some change because I had a coupon. Pretty sure I got that coupon through Honey. I don't know if you know that browser extension. I'm not sponsored by them, but I highly recommend you sign up. I'll put a link in my description so that way you can sign up and get a good deal. But it automatically finds coupons for you. So I got mine for $63. I think that's a pretty good deal for 5 pairs of prescription lenses, especially in the US. And these are year wear lenses, so they're good for up to a year, and then you have to dispose of them. If you do the math on how much these cost per lens with that deal, for $63, these are about $12.50 a piece. So I think that's a steal, honestly, for the quality of lenses you're getting. All of them were relatively comfortable. All of them had great vision. Obviously, the prescription worked because it has to be FDA regulated, and they have to follow those guidelines. But I really, really recommend this kit. I think it's really nice, and I would love to buy another kit from TTDEye again and review them as well. So leave a comment down below if you've ever purchased from TTDEye, and let me know what you think of their products, if you like them, if you hate them, if you had a good experience, bad experience. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on if you liked it or not. Maybe you didn't like it, maybe you liked it. Let me know in the comments, I want to know. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to click the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you again for watching. Bye!